So, uh, good morning to every one of you. Good morning, good morning, good morning from Nigeria as at 8:24 GMT plus one. Thank you all for joining us with FS Live. And we'll be trying to break down the analysis today. And we'll be discussing on what is possibly to happen today or for the remaining days of the week. I remain Oluwaseun Temitayo Olukayode, your chief coach, and by His grace, I've been trading and I've been a profitable trader for a very long time, and with the grace of God upon me, I will still continue to be. And let's run down through the analysis that we have for today. Before me, I have GBP JPY, and you all know that our strategy is market maker footprint. Market maker footprint is our strategy, and that is what we are trading in this place. And as you can see, this market on my 4 hours have been trying to make a retracement, and is still on a very strong bullish trend for a very long time. But in as much that we are on a bullish trend on GBP the market has been giving us a series of going bearish, going bearish, going bearish, going bearish. And based on that, I'm going to be looking for opportunity where we can position ourselves for buy, and also a likely place for us to position ourselves for a sell if any possibility of that happen in the market. And we will spot our market maker footprint, and I can see one of my market maker footprints here based on where the market is presently, and I can spot another market maker footprint here, and this is another market maker footprint at this level that I can spot. So these are the area whereby I'm expecting the market to give me an entry to go bullish, because if we look at it, the market has been on a bullish momentum for a very long time, but it's giving us a series of retracements, which I believe that the market is still going to buy. But during the time that we are going to see the buy, let's look for the position. Now, we are at the market maker footprint. Once the market is at the market maker footprint, the next thing that we do is that we look for our proper entry strategy at 5-minute time frame. Depending on the time frame you like, you can go there and check. And with what I can see here on my chart, I can see that JPY is giving me the opportunity, is showing me the sign of buy is coming soon. Buy is coming soon. So meaning that on my JPY, I might be looking for a buy this morning. And if I'm looking for a buy, if the buy is taking place, where am I going to position myself in order for me to take part of this short sell that is taking place? There are market maker footprints around this area. So there is a market maker footprint here, and there is also a market maker footprint at this level, and there is another market maker footprint at this level. So meaning that if this buy resume, where are the position of we taking our sell or taking our profit? Now, if this buy resume, my number one place of taking my profit will be at 184.50. 184.50, and I might also look at the price of 184.00 also. 184.00, I might also look at my price of taking profit at that area, which the buy is already preparing itself to kickstart. As you can see here, the buy is already getting ready to kickstart because they are at that market maker footprint, a very strong market maker footprint, which they couldn't break. They have been bouncing in that market maker footprint for a very long time, which the market maker footprint is holding. And for this reason, I will tell every one of you to look for your market strategy of entry. I believe that every one of us on this call, we are a trader, and we have our own way of trading. We have our own way of making an entry. And the one way we use in making entry, one of the prerequisites we use in making entry in our market is whenever the market gets to the market maker footprint, we look for what we call divergence. And with the divergence, we'll be able to tell if the market is ready to buy or you still want to continue to sell. So that is my take on GBP JPY. GBP JPY this morning, I'll be looking for buy opportunity, and I'll be expecting the buy to take place to 184.00 or 184.50 or 185.50 or 186.50. Those are the places whereby I'll be expecting the market to give me a reversal to the downtrend if truly you want to continue downward. So for this reason, I'll be looking for a buy on GBP JPY this morning. I'll be looking for a buy, and I'll be expecting that buy to give me the first TP at the price of 184.00. 184.00. And if it give me that profit at 184.00, I'll be looking at it at that market maker footprint. Is there any possibility of the market trying to go down or to continue? Because this market that started this pulling down, that started this dropping, it gave us a high, it gave us a low, it gave us a higher low, and it has given us a lower low. And for me to validate an entry, I need to see an higher, I need to see a lower high one, lower low one, lower high two, lower low two. Until I see those things, I won't confirm a trend as resumed. To me, on GBP JPY, a sell trend has not resumed to me because I can only see a high and low and lower high one and lower low one, and I've been expecting a lower high two and lower low two that will validate my trend that is already a sell trend. I have not seen something of such. So until I see that, before I will now validate this GBP JPY as resumed a downtrend. But to me, presently, I'll still be looking for opportunity to buy on GBP JPY. Now, if I'm buying on GBP JPY, where is my take profit? That is what I have mentioned to you, 184.00, because this market might pull back to this level and they will now continue to drop it, which they will give us another low. And if they give us that low, meaning that the position for sell is shown properly. So that is my own take. I will buy here now. After buying, I'll be looking for sell opportunity at 184.00, 184.00 or 184.50. Those are the two areas I'll be looking for my sell opportunity on GBP JPY. So that is my own take this morning on GBP JPY. And if you have your own analysis or you have your own thing that you want to say about GBP JPY, apply it on your own, and good luck to you. So, but for me, this morning, I'll be looking for a buy on GBP JPY, which is already taking place. If we go straight to 5-minute time frame, you can see that on 5-minute time frame, the market is giving us a very strong divergence, and it has started pushing it to the top. And the other things that we use in making entry in our own academy, if you want to learn that, you can come to my own academy to come and learn that, and we'll be glad to receive you. We'll be glad to receive you. And let me drop this. If possibility, if anything is going to happen on GBP JPY, let it be this. Let it break, retest, and push to the top to 184.00. So that is my take on GBP JPY this morning. Let me go straight to USD CHF. On USCHF, let's go straight to 4 hours. I've been telling us for a very long time that USCHF is going to be a continuation to buy. It's going to be a continuation to buy. And the buy, I'm expecting the buy to come to 0.9000 or 0.9050, 0.9000 or 0.9050. And as you can see, what is happening, the market is still pushing to the top side. The market is still pushing to the top side. When people are expecting sell in the forex market, when the retailer are looking for sell, my brother, look for a buy. Every almost 90% trader, I don't want to commit fallacy by generalizing everybody. Every almost 90% trader would have been looking for a sell opportunity on USDCHF because it's already mature to drop. And the more that you people are expecting sell, the more the market maker will continue to push it against you. The more you are looking for a sell, the more the market maker will continue to push the market against you. Like I told you people in my channel, I told you that anytime that the market maker, anytime that you observe that the retailer are looking for sell, my brother, do otherwise, because that otherwise is where the market maker, the people that move the market, that is where they are going to rise in. They will always want to trade against you, whether you like it or not. They will always want to trade against you. For this reason, I will still be looking for a buy. I told us from this particular junction that this market is still going to go bullish. And look at it from that junction of 0.8900. The market has moved about 78 pips. About 78 pips. Now, what are we still expecting? We are still expecting a buy to the top. We are still expecting a buy to the top until they will come and give us what we call a territorial trade. And if you want to learn more about territorial trade, you need to subscribe to our channel for you to have understanding about that. So what are we expecting? The market will still push to 0.9050. I'm expecting this market to still move to 0.9050. At 0.9050 on USDCHF, I will be looking for a way, maybe if there is going to be a sell opportunity. Maybe it's going to be a sell for opportunity for the market. So that is my own take on USDCHF this morning. That is my take for USDCHF this morning. So look for continuation to buy at this price to 0.9050. Then from there, we will now be looking for opportunity to sell at those market maker area. At the market maker footprint area, we'll be looking for the opportunity. And as you can see, if they don't hold at this 0.9050, then expect them at 0.9110. Those are the area whereby we have the market maker footprint, and we'll be expecting the market to drop massively from there. So on USDCHF, I will still tell you that you should look for an opportunity to buy. Look for opportunity to buy on USDCHF. Look for opportunity to buy on USDCHF and expect your TP at 0.9050 or 0.9110. So those are the area I'll be expecting a sell opportunity. But for now, I'll still be going on a long with USDCHF. I'm through with USDCHF. Let's go straight to gold. Let's go straight to gold. On gold, I told us that on gold, I'm expecting gold to still come with a sell, but it's still going to push and push to 1940 or 1946. 1940 or 1946. And as you can see, they are pushing and pushing and pushing since Friday. Since last week Friday that I gave out this trade buy on gold, the market has been pushing and be pushing and be pushing and be pushing, and we are expecting it to get to the price of 1940 or 1945 before we look for a sell opportunity on gold this week. And I believe that maybe the FOMC might restrict the trade to go to this price of 1945 or 1950, 1950 or 1945. So I'm believing that the what they call it, the gold, the gold with the news FOMC coming up, it might increase the value of this currency to this part of this metal to this area. So for me on gold, I'll be looking for gold to still continue to go bullish to the price of 1940, 1945, and 1950. Those are the three areas I'll be looking for sell opportunity on gold. Those are the areas I'll be looking for sell opportunity on gold. Expect gold to still go bullish to the point of 1940 or 1945 or 1950. At those areas, look for your sell opportunity. Meaning that if the market gets to 1940, look for sell opportunity if they are going to give it to us. You look at it, observe it, look at your entry. If they didn't give it to us, look for entry at 1945. Then if they don't give it to us, the final bus stop I'm expecting them to give it to us is 1950. And what will you use to judge yourself or to look at they are ready to drop? Let me just give it to you straight away. Is go and look for a divergence at those areas. And if you can see it, if you know how to trade divergence very well, you can apply it with other things that is involved. But if you want to learn those other things, you can subscribe to Topic FS Academy. And that is my take on gold this morning. Still look for opportunity to continue on yourself. But let me look for opportunity whereby you can join your sell or your buy. You can join the buying at the price of 1927 or 1923. 1927 or 1923, gold will come to that area and it will give us an opportunity to continue with this flowing of buy direction. So that is my take. That is where you should be expecting a continuation to buy. And if you are late, don't worry. I'm going to drop this thing on my YouTube channel for you to watch. And if you are the type that you want to learn how to trade FOMC, go to my YouTube channel or check my TikTok page. You are going to see it there. So let's continue. Let's continue to the next here. GBPUSD. GBPUSD, there was a very massive news this morning, and this news dropped. And I gave us to look for a short buy, and look at it. They only gave us 46 pips there. They only gave us 46 pips, and they dropped the market to the low. And at this level, let's watch out for the market maker footprint, whereby we'll be looking for the buy opportunity on the GBP USD. As you can see, the market has been going on a low. He gave us a high, gave us a low, he gave us a lower high, lower low, and lower high, lower low, which is telling us that this market is resuming a very sell trend. For this reason, where should I be waiting for my sell opportunity? I'll be looking for my sell opportunity to continue with this sell. To continue with this sell, I'll be looking for the price to come to 1.2500. 1.2500 on GBP USD. I'll be expecting the price to come there. And where are we going to buy? Push the market to 1.2500. Where are we going to buy? For this reason, let's look at where are the market maker footprints. Our market maker footprint is what will determine where we are going to do that. And as I can see one market maker footprint at this level. I can see a market maker footprint at that level. And I can also see another market maker footprint at this level. And for this reason, this will now push me to look for a buy opportunity here. I'll look for a buy opportunity there based on what I have seen in those areas. So I'll be looking for my buy opportunity there. And if they fail to give it to me there, let me also mark another place because of the FOMC that is coming. If FOMC is going to spike, once they spike to the market maker footprint, expect the continuation to buy. Expect a continuation to a buy. So, but for that, let me mark it out for us so that we will not have any issue, even though I'm not around with FOMC. You are going to trade FOMC judiciously and make good money from it. As you can see this morning, the GBP USD has pushed this market to the price of 1.234. And at this area, we are at the market maker footprint right now. We are at the market maker footprint. And at this market maker footprint, we'll be looking for a buy opportunity that will take us to the price of 1.2500. 1.2500. Now, as you can see, the price is rejecting at the market maker footprint. It's rejecting at the market maker footprint. For us to confirm if there's going to be any trade for us there, let's go to lower time frame and let's see if there's any divergence there. I'm here to see the divergence on this particular time frame. I'm here to see the divergence. Now, look for your divergence at this area, at this price, for you to look for your buy opportunity. And if you are looking for your buy opportunity on GBP USD, where are we going to take our profits? We are going to take our profit at 1.2500. That is my final take on GBP USD. Look for a buy opportunity this morning between now and New York session. Look for buy opportunity and expect it to come to 1.2500. That is my take on GBP USD this morning. Let me go straight to Euro AUD. Let's go straight to Euro AUD also. On Euro AUD, I've been looking for a sell and we have been selling Euro AUD for a very long time. Let me remove that. We have been selling Euro AUD for a very long time. And the Euro AUD has come to the market maker footprint, which is at the price of 1.6456. And at that 1.6456 or 1.6400, I told us to expect an opportunity to buy on Euro AUD. And as you can see, the market only came to the price of 1.6458. And the market started going bullish since Friday that I called out, look for buy opportunity and buy your Euro AUD. And the market is still going bullish and going bullish and going bullish. And I'm expecting the market to come to the price of 1.6700. 1.6700 to look for my sell opportunity, and or I should look for it at 1.6650. 1.6650. These are the area I'll be looking for a continuation to sell on Euro AUD. This morning, my own analysis, I'll look for a buy to push this market. I'll look for a buy on Euro AUD this morning to push to the price of 1.6750 or 1.6700. 1.6650 or 1.6700. Then I'll be looking for my sell opportunity around this area. I'll be looking for my sell opportunity around this market maker footprint area. So that is what is going to be happening on Euro AUD. And if you go to Euro AUD on either 15 minutes or 5 minutes, you can see that this Euro AUD is still answering to this divergence that is occurring here. Still answering to this divergence. As you can see, it's still answering to this what? This divergence, and the market hasn't break that divergence, and that is the reason why this market is pumping to the top. As for me, I've made an entry here on the Euro AUDs. I've made an entry from this place. I am buying Euro AUD already, and as you can see it, this is it. As you can see it on my chart, that is it there. I am buying it. And let's continue. I'm already in a buy on Euro AUD. And if I'm on buy on Euro AUD this morning, where am I expecting it to get to? My first TP will be at this price, because I can spot the market maker footprint there. I can spot a market maker footprint here at the price of 1.6550. 1.6590, 1.6590 or 1.6600. Look for your take profit one there. Look for your take profit one at that area. Look for your take profit one at that area. Then look for your take profit two at 1.6700 or 1.6650. Then you will now look for a continuation to sell on Euro AUD. Don't forget, I said it before that I will look and I'll go and position myself where to sell Euro AUD this week. And the price at which I'm expecting a sell opportunity on Euro AUD this week is at the price of 1.6650 or 1.6700. So that is my take on Euro AUD this morning. Let's move to the next pair on our chart. The next pair I'll be looking at this morning is to look at Chef JPY. Chef JPY, I'll be looking at Chef JPY. As you can see, Chef JPY has already come to the market maker footprint I'm expecting them to come to. They are already, I told us to buy Chef JPY. I told us to buy that it's still going to get to 1.6520 and is already at 1.6516. And if it is at this 1.6515, I'll begin to look for my divergence to see if they are ready to continue to the sell direction. And as you can see, there is a very powerful divergence here that I can see on Chef JPY. And for this reason, I'll be looking for a sell opportunity on Chef JPY. I'll be looking for sell opportunity on Chef JPY. But if they fail to give me my sell opportunity on Chef JPY this morning now, because the market can decide to still push to the front. If they decide not to give it to me, where is the ideal place whereby I'll be expecting them to give it to me again? I'll be expecting them to push this market. They say they don't want to give it to me. I'll be expecting this market to come to 165.70, 165.70. That's where I'll be expecting the market to still push to. If they fail to give me my sell opportunity here, then I'm expecting them to come to 165.70. And if they fail to stop at 165.70, then expect them to come to 166.50. Those are the three areas. Those are the three prices that I mentioned to us earlier on. And as you can see, one of the price has hit. Then look for your sell opportunity here. And if they don't give you sell opportunity there, then know that it's going to push to this level. And if you want to know how we used to know, how we used to get it, how we used to discover that no, there's not going to be a sell here, then you need to subscribe to Tobit FS Academy. For the beginner is just $150, while the master class is $350. If you see it as something that you can go for it. And if you don't see it as something you can go for, you can definitely look for another academy that their price is lower than us. The only thing I'm just encouraging you is to go for a knowledge. Go for knowledge, and when you get the knowledge, you will see that forex market is a place for you to stay for a very long time. So that is my take on Chef JPY. I'll be looking for an opportunity to short this morning at this area. And if they don't give it to me, I'll be expecting it at 165.70 or 166.50. So that is my analysis on Chef JPY this morning. Let's go straight to USD card. USD card. Let's go straight to USD card this morning. On USD card, you can see that we are expecting this market to give us an opportunity to resell at this area, but they never come. They keep on dropping and dropping. And they came to this market maker footprint. When they got to this market maker footprint, they only gave us opportunity to scoop out 54 pips out of it, and they continue to drop it down. Now, in as much that they are dropping it down, where do we position ourselves for a buy on USD card? If I'm going to position myself for a buy on USD card, I will position it at this market maker footprint here. I'm going to position it at the market maker footprint here. And there's another market maker footprint here for us to mark out. Let's mark out those market maker footprint area. At those areas, is where we'll be expecting a buy opportunity on USD card. Now let's delete all this. Let's delete all this. Let's delete all this. Now this is where, if you are the one that is looking, you still want to continue to look for the sell opportunity on USD card, these are the price whereby I will advise you to look for the sell opportunity on USD card. If you still want to continue to look for sell opportunity, look for sell opportunity at this price. So let me mark out every of our market maker footprint before we look for where to go and position ourselves for a buy. So let me wait for that. I'm coming. Hold on. Okay. So that's it for me there. Okay. So now this is it. Now we are expecting USD card. Yesterday when this news came out, I told my student, one of my students, I told her that, say, don't go and buy USD card. USD card is a death trap. The news came out on USD card yesterday. Came out, their CPI news was very strong. All the news was very strong. Despite the fact that the news is very strong, what happened? The market begin to push up and push up and push up. Now, for us to look for the continuation to sell, then let the price come to 134.80, 134.80. The moment price comes to 134.80, look for your sell opportunity there. Then if you are looking for your sell opportunity, this is the next bus stop whereby you should be expecting your TP. Expect your TP at 1.3370. 1.3370. Expect your TP at 1.3370. When they come to 1.3370, look for a divergence. If they give us a divergence there, then look for a buy opportunity at that area. If they don't give you a buy opportunity, if they still want to push it down, then expect the market to come to this level, to this market maker footprint area, which is 1.3300, or expect the price to come to this area, which is the last market maker footprint I'll be giving us to look for a buy opportunity. This is at 1.3210, 1.3210, 1.3210, 1.3210. So these are the area whereby I'll be expecting us to look for a buy opportunity. But for now, the market is retracing to the price of 1.3500 to look for a sell opportunity to continue the sell that he has started for a very long time. So my final decision this morning is that look for your sell opportunity on USD card at the price of 1.3500, 1.3500. Then when the sell activates, your first TP should be at 1.3350, 1.3360, sorry, 1.3360. Then your TP2 will be at 1.3280, and your TP3 will be at 1.3200 on USD card. So that is my analysis on these PS that I have mentioned. I've been able to analyze USD CHF, gold, GBP USD, Chef JPY, USD card, GBP JPY, and Euro AUD this morning. And I want to say a very big thank you to every one of you for joining me on my TikTok and also on this YouTube channel to learn this morning. And I'm going to be dropping this video. It's on recording. I'll be dropping it on my YouTube. If you want to revisit it because of the news that will be coming up today, you can always go back there to go and check and watch. And don't forget to comment, and on the comment section, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to give us a like and to give us a subscription. Make sure you subscribe. And it's a surprise that our subscription, the YouTube channel that we just opened, is already growing and already growing. And all glory be to God. And we'll be expecting more of you to also join us and to give us a thumbs up, to give us your hour watch. And thank you so much for joining Tobit FS Academy. I love you so much. Remain blessed till I come next time. Thank you so much. God bless you.